Hey loves, welcome back to ItsClassyJazzy channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell to get notified. I miss you guys so much. I'm so sorry I haven't been dropping videos. I've been extremely busy with school and life, and also I've been sick for the longest time ever, and I have a whole bunch of makeup videos that I need to do voiceovers for, but because I'm hoarse and I couldn't talk for over a week now, I couldn't do it and I couldn't drop any videos, so I'm sorry. But without further ado, we're gonna see how I create this holiday glam look. Just keep watching. The first thing I'm starting off with is concealer, and it's by Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm using a concealer instead of a primer because it does the same exact thing, and I'm using a light color concealer so my eyeshadow will become more vibrant on my eyes, and I'm going to be blending that out with a beauty blender. The first makeup palette I'll be going in with is called The Masquerade by Juvia's Place, and the color I'm using is Zobo. I'm using a tapered blending brush, and I am dabbing the color onto my crease so the concealer won't smudge, and then I'll be blending that out. The next palette I'll be going in with is the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and the color I am using is this burnt orange in the color of Ablaze, and I'll be placing that right on top of the purple that I placed previously. I'll also be using this brown color in this palette called Rich, and I'll be putting that on my lower crease. By the way, please don't judge my eyeshadow palette. It dropped right before the video and a bunch of my eyeshadow fell out, mainly the shimmery ones. The third palette I'm going in with is Huda Beauty's Rose Gold palette, and I'll be using the color Black Truffle, and I'll be placing that on top of the brown. I'm using the black on my crease to deepen the look a bit. Then I'm going to be going right back in with Zobo and the Masquerade palette to soften the look up. I felt like it was a little bit too harsh. Next, I'll be using my concealer again, and I'm going to be using my flat shading brush to cut my crease. And once I cut my crease, I'm going to wing it out. Then I'll be going back in the Masquerade palette, and I'll be using the color Giza, and I'll be placing that on top of the concealer, and I am tapping it on top of the concealer so the concealer will not smudge. Once when I tap it in, then I'll blend it out. The next color I'll be going in with is Zobo once again, and right now I'm basically kind of making a double cut crease, but not really, almost like a halo effect also. But I'm going to be coloring right below the crease. I'll be coloring the inner corner and the outer corner with Zobo and no color in between, because I'm going to put a gold color which is called Davia, and I'll be putting that in the middle of my eye. I'll be putting glitter glue right below the line where I cut the crease, and then I'll be placing gold glitter on there. After that has been completed, I'll be doing my eyeliner. I'm going in with my e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner and a black pencil liner. Then I'll be smudging my black eyeliner from my waterline with Zobo and a tapered blending brush. I'll be applying my e.l.f. mascara on my top and bottom lashes and false eyelashes. I don't know what they're called, I just got them from the beauty supply store. Now, for the very first time on my channel, I am actually filling in my brows. I am doing my brows. By the way, an eyebrow makeup tutorial will be dropping soon. Next, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip highlighter palette, and I'll be using the colors Summer and Moonstone on my brow bone and my inner corner, and I'll be using those colors to highlight the rest of my face. Lastly, I'll be applying my lip gloss from Bath & Body Works. I'm sorry, but I do not know the name. And that is it.
Let's go now.
Thank you, love, so much for tuning back into my channel and watching another one of my makeup tutorials. Or if you're new, thank you for stopping by my channel and make sure you subscribe. Duh. I want to thank you and I want to welcome you to my channel also. But wait, if you know anybody that needs some help and some makeup, what? I got you, boo. So you might as well just comment, like, subscribe, and share this video to your neighbor, your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your cousin, the dog that just be running across the street everywhere, the stray cat that just be running. Tell the mailman, the mailwoman, grandma, your grandpa. Cause you know what we are? You know what we are? Wait, I think I heard something. I'm sure you know what we are. Yes, hunties, because we are forever lit. Don't you ever forget it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope all of my loves out here is gonna have the happiest holidays. Love you all. Bye, loves.